up and welcome to this patron requested dance workout to 17 Love Money Fame. If you want to make your very own prioritized workout requests and unlock over 100 exclusive K-pop dance workouts, be sure to check out my Patreon link right up here. Out now, we also have 17's Very Nice. Alright, let's get dancing!
We the best music. Another one. DJ Khaled.
I've never been for my lifetime. 일어나의 마음 말로 못했어 준비해봤어 prom time. Cause you changing me for better. You're the reason for my being. 날 숨쉬게 하니까. Oh baby so up to you. 영원히 나만의 go-to yeah. 사랑에 맞는 paradigm. 널 헷갈리겠지 않아. You know what I need is only you. Ay, 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 ay. 사랑이란 확신의 말 거짓없이 넌 맞춰봐. Just trust me once baby. I never let you down baby. 모두가 원해 사랑도 묘해. But I only want you baby baby baby. I only want you baby baby baby. 몹시 빛나는 fame 나는 원하지 않아. 너의 사랑 하나 그거면 돼. Baby baby yeah baby baby yeah. Pop it. 시간은 금이니까 바삐 너에게 뛰는 심장의 main topic I can't solve a problem 그게 나답지 Time together 녹지 않는 나의 아이스크림 가끔 너를 할까봐 겁나 그날이 오면 난 이룬 게 뭘까 yeah. Fame, money, love 세개 많아 Only last one 내가 바라는 사랑에 맞는 paradigm 널 헷갈리겠지 않아 You know what I need is only you Hey, 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 hey. 사랑이란 확신의 말 거짓없이 넌 맞춰봐 Just trust me once baby I never let you down baby 모두가 원해 사랑도 명예 But I only want you baby 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 I only want you baby 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 몹시 빛나는 fame 나는 원하지 않아 너의 사랑 하나 그거면 돼 Baby baby yeah baby baby yeah 사랑을 할 때 I don't need something 내 맘은 그래 너에게 너만 있어주면 I don't need something 내 맘은 그래 너에게 모두가 원해 사랑도 명예 But I only want you baby 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 I only want you baby 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 몹시 빛나는 fame 나는 원하지 않아 너의 사랑 하나 그거면 돼 Baby baby yeah baby baby yeah
17 DJ Khaled. Another one.
Awesome job, guys! A workout complete. If you want to unlock more workouts just like this, including 17's Very Nice and 800 plus other K-pop exclusives, be sure to check out my Patreon linked right up here. Alright, thanks so much for tuning in, and I will see you all next time.